Hey everybody, thought I'd show you morning commute in Seattle. I usually take the bus, but woke up on the late side. Yeah. Wasn't able to blog for a little while since I lost my windscreen from or my mic. So it's gonna be really noisy if I even did vlog. Oh gosh. Usually wake up at 7 and wake up at 8. Go me. Oh boy. What's this now? Gotta be shitting me. What the heck was that? Boy, it is not running right. I think I might have to go and get some gas on the way back. I don't know. I've only done 38.5 miles. What the hell is all that about? Not my day today. Round number 2. Glad the Seattle people didn't run me over when I couldn't start it. Ta-da! See, that bus over there is the usual bus I catch. Well, that is not the case anymore. Well, right now, because I'm following it. And unfortunately, that would be nice if I just caught that and then go to work, but I have to catch a transfer. Except that transfer does not run as frequently as that bus. So it's like, yeah, I don't want to go to work late. So I talked to the security guard and yeah, work something out. So this is Wallingford. Going through Wallingford, we were like upper Fremont, Finney Ridge area. Hey, it's a gas station. I should probably go there. Yeah, that should be fine. I don't know. I've only done 39 miles on this tank, but it's all been city. Completely city. So, I have no idea, folks. So, she needs a little warming up. And I might not have given her the proper warm-up treatment. Yeah, darn it. Oh boy. Look at this. Everybody going south on I-5. Pretty much. Oh gosh, it's freaking loping. I don't know. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. We're fine, folks. We're fine. And I can make it, because I have a motorcycle. Yeah. Look at that line of cars. Holy crap. Yeah, it's commuting time, alright. Wake up, people! I'm my V-twin! Woo! 70 horses. 70 pooping unicorns pooping out rainbows. What is it like? No, it's like 67. Oh wow. I don't even know if that's the wheel or the flywheel. The sprocket, I mean. It would be funny having some kind of shark video or some kind of Jaws, and it's a motorcycle instead of a shark. Dun 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 dun. That was fun. That took me for a surprise. Holy shit, that was stupid. That's fine. Dun 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 dun. Look at all these cars. Oh my gosh. I never told you guys, but I'll tell you. I used to commute from Gig Harbor to Seattle. Holy fucking shit. I would drive from Gig Harbor to Tacoma Dome Station and take the bus there. Take the bus from Tacoma Dome Station to King Street Station. Then I would walk from East Lake and Stewart to my job on site to Lake Union. Did that for 6 months. That sucked. That took an hour and a half. In the morning. Now that was fast in the morning. But unfortunately, coming back was another story. Coming back was another flippin' story. Holy shit. So sometimes it took a freaking hour. An hour, baby. An hour to get out of downtown Seattle. Holy shit. That doesn't count going on the freeway down to Tacoma where my freaking car is parked so I can get on with my life. No. Look at me going through rush hour, the most dangerous time for a freaking motorcycle. Motorcycle. Woo! So here's everybody. Here's a little taste of Seattle. Here's the East Lake University Bridge. Free. Woo! Going a little fast there. So yeah, about that commute. I do not miss it. Oh yeah, and it takes half an hour from the train station, it's Commute train station, back to Gig Harbor. So yeah, I was doing that for 6 months. Yeah, I don't miss it. I don't miss it. I don't miss it one single bit. And God forbid if you needed to go to the bathroom. Holy crap. Yeah, you don't drink any fluids before. Yeah. So, guys, comments on the video quality. I only have it on 720p, 30 frames per frickin' second. Oh, that's a good signal. Oh, he's yawning. Oh, he's kicking. Oh. Well, just slip right over here. Your old buddy. Oh, green lights. Oh, Moto Monkey loves green lights. Run, Forrest, run! I really need to do more cardio. Holy crap, I'm getting freaking these rolls. Actually, maybe just one roll on my tummy. And it's not looking good. It's not looking, I don't know. It's not looking good. I had like 3 hot dogs, beef hot dogs, of course beef. Can't go the other kind of hot dog. So I had 3 beef hot dogs with ranch dressing all over it last night. Oh my gosh, I felt like I was committing sins, like the devil. Sins up in this yahoo. Biker, pedal. I shouldn't make fun. I wasn't making fun, people. I was just putting a noise to his pedaling action. Pedal. I should really, like... Here we go! And here we stop. Oh, look at my muscle memory. Just putting it right back into neutral. Slap my tank. Wonder how late I am. Slap my tank. Here I go. Do I have any visitor parking?